pouch like this. Remove the easel from the pouch. Okay, this is the canvas holding plank and this is the easel. Remove the plastic covering. Be gentle. Just make sure each and every part is out of the pouch. Okay, now you have your easel. This part is movable. If it is not in place, see, it can be inserted like this in this hole. Fine. Okay, it can be locked. See, this is the locking mechanism of this. You can open the lock, you can slide it up, down, and you can lock it again on place. Now you have to open these knobs like this. I am opening it to its full length. You can open or you can adjust the legs as per your required height. There is no compulsion that it has to be on this certain height, it has to be on this certain place. Now two of its legs are open. Now I am opening the third and the rear leg. If you want your easel to be in a certain angle, you want your canvas to be in a certain angle, what you can do, just you can make sure the rear leg is low in height as compared to the two of the front legs. See. Now it is on place. You can take the canvas holding plank. You have these two screws which are completely movable like this. See, these two screws are there. Okay, if you want to make it if you want to increase the grip or you want to fix it on a certain point, so you can turn it back. Here you have this holder tighter, so you can just tight this one. So now this is locked in place. You can unscrew it. Now you can move it very easily. So a very handy mechanism. Fine. Now you have to open these two legs and the rear leg, which I have already decreased the height for angle. Now I am increasing it a bit. Fine. Now just we'll see, we have two screws. Okay, so now you can see the canvas holding planks, there are small holes given. So what we'll do, we'll insert these holes like this in the screw and the screw will get it. Just I'm counting 1 2 3 over here and inserting in the fourth one. Same 1 2 3 over here and in fourth one. Now you can see the screw is bit tight. There's no space to insert. Just you can lose it with the help of a screwdriver like this. See, it will come out very easily. Fine. Now just 1 2 3 leaving the 3 and inserting it in the fourth one. It will help. See, the frame is very evenly placed like this. Okay, now what you have to do, if you see on the upper height, this will be in air like this, but it will hold the canvas very easily. If you want, there is also a hole given for the smaller canvases. You can just insert it over here like this. See, now it is completely locked. It is having a very good grip. Stability is also very good. Still it can feel a bit flimsy because the rear leg is not tightened properly. What you can do, you have a belt over here. Just take this belt and you can velcro it. If you feel that belt is a bit loose, you can make some few turns like this and you can apply the velcro, and now you are ready to go. Just take your canvas, place your canvas like this. Whatever size canvas you have, you can place. Now see, you have a mechanism over here which we discussed earlier. Just open it. Okay, take it upwards like this. Okay, bring near to your canvas, open this lock like this, push the spring like this. Fine. And lock the canvas in place and then lock it again. Lock the bottom place, and now you are ready to go.